I'm on my way to my mom's house because she's gonna braid my hair for my birthday. I have my daughter in the back. My sister wants to do her hair, and my sister wants her to spin the what? Spin the what? Spinning that. She said spin the wheel. No, she wants her to spin the no. So we're about to go get that done. Hope y'all enjoyed the rest of y'all day. I mean, I would drive with y'all there, but my holder, I don't know, it's stuck to the window, but I guess the car is kind of, it like shakes. Let me see if this is the one. Let's see. See, I think this is the one where y'all move and y'all shake and stuff like that. Anyway, have a great day. Y'all see the sun is out shining and everything. Bye.